nyo, biggest, karamihan sa inyo, biggest game sa career nyo sa PBA. Anong gagawin nyo para ma-meet yung malaking challenge na to?
Siguro, yun nga, mag-stick lang kami sa system. And syempre, mag-play lang kami as a team. Kasi yun naman yung, yun ang pinakakailangan namin. Kasi yun nga, sa individual, hindi talaga namin kaya sila. Kumbaga, mas angat sila, skilled nila. Pero once na naglaro kami as a team, may chance kami manalo. And syempre, yun nga, nakuha namin yung panalo ngayon. And hopefully, Game 5.
Marami ka nang hinihinda ngayon, ha? Paano mo dinidil yun? Lalo na itong series na to.
Siyempre, pero malaking bagay para sa amin itong panalo na to. Kami ni Ali kasi siyempre isa kami sa leaders dito kasi kami yung isa sa pinakabata na team sa PBA. So sobrang, kumbaga sa career namin, sobrang malaki na to para sa amin. And siyempre, pagpapatuloy namin yung pagtatrabaho namin, hopefully talaga makuha namin yung Game 5 para naman mabigay namin sa franchise namin yung kumbaga makabawi kami sa kanila ng panalo na series.
Alec, how does it feel to get back from 0-2 and of course a Game 5?
I mean, we had nothing to lose naman, so we're very happy na we're able to get it one game at a time. So another chance, meron pa kami one more chance again on Sunday, so hopefully we're able to capitalize on that.
You guys were supposed to be finished in Game 3, but you know, you hit that shot, then you won tonight.
Yep. I mean, as far as from the past games, we were there, we were right there. We had some lapses down the stretch, and we're a young team, so you know, we learned from those mistakes, and we continue to build from the good things that we were able to do, which is sticking to the system.
How will you approach Game 5? Biggest game of your careers for you guys.
It's the same other game, you know.
Yeah.
We got nothing to lose. At the end of the day, we were not supposed to be here, but you know, we gave ourselves a chance, so you know, might as well cap it off with a win. First franchise semis playoff run.
Guys, thank you.
Salamat po.
Good luck.